Thanks for joining us. A live look in the background from our airport camera after a gorgeous day. And I've got warmer temperatures ahead for you. We are still at this late hour at 51 degrees. It feels like 48 because of these south winds. And these south winds are going to warm temperatures up quite a bit tomorrow. Dew point temperature at 34 degrees. This is a visible satellite picture from earlier in the day. And what you're seeing in northern Iowa, the remnants of the snowpack up there. Now, this may have some effect on area rivers like the Iowa River, the South Skunk, Raccoon, and Beaver Creek around Grimes later on as this melts. But look at the effect that it had on high temperatures today. Mason City only got to 38 degrees, Fort Dodge to 48, but Des Moines got to 60 for the first time since December 16th, Ottumwa to 59, Lamoni to 52, and Council Bluffs all the way up to 64 degrees today. Of course, folks are out enjoying it. This is the scene from Evelyn Davis Park in Des Moines today. Kids enjoying the sunny conditions, warm temperatures in the slide, and even into the evening hours, you saw motorcycles out there. You maybe smelled people grilling, and a nice evening to be out. Here's a look at the time lapse from late in the afternoon into the evening hours from our Jefferson web camera. Just a few cirrus clouds moving by, and otherwise a gorgeous day across the central part of the state. And as I said, we're going to warm things up even more as we head into the work week. Current temperatures mid-30s north, low 40s in the Fort Dodge area. We're in the low 50s in the south at this hour. Off to the south is where we're finding the interesting weather tonight across portions of Texas. As you can see during the lapse here that they had a couple of tornado watch boxes out. But so far, just some wind and hail reported in that area of the country. And as we head back north, for us, nothing but a warm Monday ahead. We'll pay for that with some breezy conditions, but it'll be a nice day. 62 in Fort Dodge, 70 in Carroll tomorrow, 67 in Boone, Audubon 68, your high. Creston will reach 67, Lamoni 69, Centerville a gorgeous day, partly cloudy skies and 66, Ottumwa 64, Newton your high 65, Ames 68. It'll be a little cooler in Iowa Falls, but still a nice day. And Clarion a high temperature of 61 degrees, so just a gorgeous start to the week ahead. 42 tonight. We'll call this mild for this time of year. Southwest winds at 5 to 15. Now, as I mentioned, it will be breezy tomorrow. Your high temperature 67 degrees with southwest winds at 10 to 20 with some higher gusts during the day. Here's your 5-day forecast. Tuesday all the way up to 65. Slight rain chances Wednesday and Thursday. 57 Wednesday, this is iffy depending on where a cold front ends up across the state. 46 Thursday and 47 Friday. Now I know Saturday is a national holiday for some of you, so I went ahead and I thought, well, we'll talk about what's going on in the St. Patrick's Day forecast for you, and here we go. Not a bad day. It'll be a jacket and sweatshirt day, but a high temperature of around 45 degrees with partly cloudy skies expected on Saturday. So not a bad looking 5-day forecast, guys, at least to start off the week. If you can call in sick the next 2 days, that's the best idea, I think, and then things cool down by the end of the week.